Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain can we change the iPhone battery. Yes, for many models, you absolutely can, thanks to Apple's self-service repair initiative. They now provide genuine parts and precise tools directly to consumers, empowering you to perform certain repairs yourself. However, it's crucial to understand that specialized equipment, like specific screwdrivers and adhesive removers, is absolutely necessary for safely opening your device and accessing its internal components. While self-service is an option, it comes with significant risks that you must consider. Improper installation can easily damage sensitive internal components, leading to much larger issues than just a failing battery. More critically, there is a serious risk of puncturing the old battery, which can cause it to swell, overheat, or even catch fire. Also, be aware that attempting a do-it-yourself repair could potentially void any remaining warranty on your device. If you decide to proceed with a do-it-yourself replacement, having the correct tools is non-negotiable. You will definitely need a specialized pentalobe screwdriver to open your iPhone's casing, along with a tiny tri-point screwdriver for internal screws. A heat gun, or even a hairdryer is useful for gently loosening the strong adhesive holding the screen in place. Most importantly, always use a genuine Apple replacement battery to ensure optimal performance, proper fit, and safety, avoiding aftermarket alternatives. Here is a quick overview of the general process, though specific steps vary by model. First, always ensure your iPhone is completely powered off to prevent any electrical shorts. Next, you will carefully remove the display assembly using specialized suction cups and delicate prying tools, being mindful of flex cables. Once inside, disconnect the old battery, install the new one securely, and then carefully reattach all connectors before resealing your device, testing thoroughly afterwards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.